inyong pakialamerang kapitbahay.
Hoy! Teka rito. Attorney Jean Asuncion. Happy birthday. Okay, bye.
What that?
Hey sir, hey families, I prepared a special snack and a poem for you.
Oh, tula na
Okay.
naman. Okay, makinig tayo.
Go.
Go.
Kung sarap at sustansya din lang ang pag-uusapan, ang ibang panghimagas walang laban. Sa matamis at masarap kong leche flan. Leche flan! Leche flan!
Leche! 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 Leche!
Hindi ka naman galit, ha?
Sinusuportahan mo yan eh. Parang bossing, 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 bossing.
Leche plan.
Leche!
Le
Leche! Hindi maganda yung plan eh. Hindi mo, putol agad eh. Oh,
leche.
plan.
Ay, maganda.
Hindi, walang ano.
Leche plan.
Plan. Parang,
Hindi, maganda.
hindi, mga two syllables.
Kwenta. Leche plan.
Leche!
Leche plan. Iba yun, ah.
Leche!
Ayan, leche.
Milk!
Eh, ikaw naman kung kumain niya, puro ibabaw lang eh.
Hindi totoo yun. Parang
Wala,
linggo.
maliliit eh.
Wala, manipis daw, manipis.
Puro ibabaw. Ito na. Ito ang reyna ng langis.
Okay.
Si Saida.
The Oily Queen.
What?
Hi sir, hi families! Perfect sa merienda ang aking dala today. May asukal at mantikilya. Tadan! Ensaymada! Ensaymada! Ensaymada!
Okay.
Ah,
Masarap yung
Ensaymada.
ensimada niya. May mga shavings pa.
ng keso. Siyempre, hindi kompleto yun. Pag,
Okay.
wala. Ano ito ang girl next door, Saida.
Ay, nako. Ano yan?
Teka, parang photo ah.
Yung ba'y may tula?
This time I have a song and a drink.
You have a song?
May song pa. Okay.
Not a poem? Song? Okay, go. Song.
Boys and girls, ready, get, set, go! Just say go, go, go because I have gulaman and sago. Go, go, go.
Para siya lang ang pumalakpak. Lalakpak ka na yung sarili niya.
Mali.
Maganda,
Ready,
maganda.
get set,
Oh, maganda.
go. Ganun. Ako lang eh. Okay.
Red, white, and blue.
One more time.
One more
One more
time.
time. Request audience. One more time.
Go, ready! Just say go, go, go because I have gulaman and sago. Go, go, go.
Go, go, go.
Ga.
Diba?
Okay. Thank you, Ga.
Mamaya ulit.
Ga.
Ano ito mo nating girl next door?
Hoy! Ang pagandang-pagandang si Saida.
Hi, sir. Hi, families. I prepared something nice, snack, and a wrap.
Okay.
No
Go.
poem? No poem?
No, rap
Go
daw,
poem.
rap.
Wrap today.
No.
Okay. Are you ready? Come on. Let's get it on. I have to run. Yeah, break it down.
Bilis naman. Ulitin mo, pumapalakpak pa eh. Isa pa. One more.
Pakasa ba? Ma'am, linawin mo.
Are you ready? Come on. Yeah, yeah. Let's get it on. I have to run. Break it down. Break it down. Yeah, come on.
May turon daw siya, may turon. Asan na yung turon?
Hindi mo
Ayun.
binukson.
Okay. Ano tama? Narito mo nating girl next door, si Saida.
Okay. Bangladesh. Ay!
Hi, sir. Hi, families. I have special something for you and a wrap.
Okay.
Rap na naman.
Go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Kuya Kimpi. Yeah, this is what I got for you. Yeah, it's Suman. Yo, man, it's Suman. Break it down, it's Suman.
Suman.
Okay yan. Okay yan. Su-man. Su-man.
Su.
Su-man.